Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Model insects. Making an insect. The teddy bear's pals Oscar, Alfred and Walker Bear went with them on their holiday to Yorkshire this year. After a very lovely first day, the next day was very different, with lots of rain. There is nothing worse than having glum bears about the house, and none of them knew what to do. "Never mind about the weather," Scary said brightly. "I've something that will keep you busy for a while. It's a kind of insect puzzle." And he handed the pals an envelope. As they looked at the puzzle, they were curious as to which of the insects on the front they would be making. "You can either wait until you have finished it, or I can tell you what it will be. But either way I think you will like it," Scary said. After a little chat amongst themselves, they decided that they didn't want to know in advance, and they would guess as they went along. Walker Bear read the instructions very carefully and gave Oscar and Alfred details of what to do. Apparently, they needed to push out the pieces of coloured foam and put them together in a special order, and the pieces made one of the insects shown on the front. "Easy," said Oscar. "We can do that." Maybe that was famous last words. First of all, and very carefully, in the correct order, the green pieces had to be pushed out of the sheets of foam and then slotted together. Walker Bear, being in charge of instructions, told Oscar to push out piece 1 and showed him from the instruction sheet what the shape was. Then Alfred pushed out piece 2 and slotted the pieces together. There were 20 pieces in all, and they took turns pushing them out and slotting them in the correct place on the body of the insect, all according to Walker Bear's instructions. The fun bit was putting in the wings, and the model was becoming more like an insect. "But what about legs? Does this insect not have any?" asked Alfred. "They are last on the list," said Walker Bear, "and there are 6 of them. But don't get them mixed up, as the insect won't stand up properly if you do." So Alfred was given the task of getting the first of the legs out and putting it in place. Then the other legs were added, and hey presto, the insect was finished. "It's only taken us 2 hours," said Alfred, "and I wonder what it is." "It's huge," said Walker Bear, "and a tiny bit scary." "I also wonder what it is." Oscar didn't have much idea either, so they all looked at Scary to see if he would tell them what it was. "Look at the front of the instruction sheet," he said, "and you will see that it is a beetle." All the bears enjoyed playing with the new beetle. There are lots of models you can buy. Scary bought his from their local craft shop. Try one out yourselves. They are great fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.